Friends, my name is Kapil Goyal, and in this tutorial I will teach you about raw queries. How can we update data with raw queries? Now first we have to define a root. Here we will create a new function. We can comment the other ones. Now here we already define a root for this update. We will create a function with the name update function. You can use any function here. We will use update function. You can use any name which you want. Here first we will create a function here db, and we will use update function here. Update, we will write our query here, update post blocks is our table name. Set title equal to PHP updated. We will update the data here in the first row, so we will use the ID of first row. where ID equal to question mark, and here we will give the array of ID. Now we will save the result in a variable result. Here we can also write the condition if the data is inserted, then here we can show a message data inserted, and in the else we can write data not inserted. Save this, and if I open the browser and change the slug and reload the browser, here you can see data inserted successfully. Now if I go to the table and refresh the table, here you will see the change, PHP updated. Now if I want to update this one also, so what we will do, we will change the ID here, and you can change the title which you want, Java updated. Now if I save this and reload the browser, here you can see data inserted, and refresh it. Now you can see that Java updated, title updated successfully for the ID 2. We have to write the message here, updated. Now by this method we can update the data here. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.